Hi, Jesseb here. Let's talk about the order of operation in Excel. There is a acronym known as Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally that is taught in a lot of algebra classes, but it holds true here for our formulas in Excel. You'll notice here that we have partner total, associate total, discount rate, and then we need a total discount for the customer. So we need to set up a formula that would work to do this. Now, if you currently notice here on the right, you have P for parentheses, E for exponent, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, plus for addition, and dash for subtraction. And so those are our basic items when we're talking about order of operation. So the key here is if I want something to be done first, I put parentheses around it. Otherwise, the list, as you see here on the screen, those items will be done as they appear in the formula. Excel reads from left to right. So starting with the equal, it begins to read your formula, however you type it, and whatever it encounters, it will look for parentheses. If it sees parentheses, it would do that math first. If there's no parentheses, then of course it looks for an exponent and not, and then it looks for an asterisk for multiplication or slash for division. If not, then a plus and then dash. So in our case, what we need to do is we need to write a basic formula here, and I'm going to actually do it incorrectly first. And so we're going to do 10,000 plus 20,000 times 10%. That's a straightforward formula. We click the check mark, and the answer is incorrect. If you do a little math in your head, you know that 30,000, 10,000 of 30,000 would be 3,000. So this is incorrect. The problem here is Excel is reading, and of course Excel decides that D23 times D24 should be done first, and then we add the D22 to the answer. That, of course, is doing the math in the wrong order. So how do we control that? Well, we control that by basically putting parentheses around the first half of the formula, or the first addition, because remember, parentheses is done first. This way, our 10 and 20,000 would be added together first, and then we multiply it times 10%, and that would give us the 3,000 correct answer. There you go, order of operation. Have a great day.